First, I took my sketchbook. I will provide the link in the description box in case you want to check it out. Here I am using a paper to protect another pages from the color stain because we are going to do watercolor. So here I am using the tape. It will be very helpful to measure the border. So here I took this brush and I am using here the camel poster colors. It has 12 shades in it. You can use any watercolor you have. So here I took some water in a cup. Now I am just water brushing on the paper. Only plain water I am using here. Now I am taking this red color and putting it on the top of the paper like this, and I am using another brush just to brush the only water. Here I also using that red color. Now I take this yellow color and just doing like this. Now I take the darker shade of this yellow and I'm putting it here. Now I'm taking this light yellow color and I'm just putting it here. Just blending all the colors. Now I take the red color again and putting it here. Now I am using the medium yellow again. Now I took black color. I am using this black color on the top of the page like this, and also in the bottom of the page. This is very easy way to paint a very good picture for beginners. Now I am using this red shade here, just a little bit. Just let it dry, and now I am using black color here. Here I am using a small brush. You can check the description box in case you want to buy anything which I use in this video. I will provide the link in the description box, and you can also follow me on other social medias. All links in the description box. If you like this video, then please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for future videos notifications to watch more videos like this. So here I am using the yellow color and putting it here to make the sun. Just making a yellow circle here. Now I am using white color. Just adding a small little cute tree here and another some detailing. Then some birds here. Here I am taking off this tape. We are done. If you like this video, then please give a thumbs up and share this video with your friends or family. Thank you so much.